Hi everyone, I'm Shaukat from Kerala. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have a happy day today. Today I'm going to talk about war. 1 week ago, Israel and America together started to attack Iran, and Iran also returned started to attack Israel, and American embassies from neighbor countries, Dubai, Kuwait, and Qatar, this kind of countries, Iran started to attack them also. Iran attack in nearby countries, their American embassies. I don't support America and Israel. I don't support Iran because this conflicts going on for long time between America, Israel with Iran, and this kind of three countries, they want fight each other all the time. But the neighbor other countries, they want peaceful life. They also face problems, but they keep patience. Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain, this kind of countries, they keep patience. But when it war happening between Israel and Iran, that time also the neighbor countries also will face consequences, because now Iran started to direct attack American embassies from Qatar and this kind of countries, Dubai. And another matter, from Kerala, so many people, Kerala people, they do job in Gulf countries, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, Bahrain, and Dubai, this kind of countries. So many people, they do job. But when it war happening, that time people can't do job peacefully. People have all the time concern what will happen next. And when it war happening, that time ordinary people, normal people will face more problem, because leaders have protection, because senior leaders have strong protection. That's why they can save their life. But in Israel and in Iran also, ordinary people will face a problem, and neighbor countries people also will face a problem. And if it war end, after also the consequences will stay long time in the world. So leaders need to understand this matter. But some countries, they want to fight each other, especially big countries. They want big countries and wealthy countries, they want to dominate over the small countries. It's happening everywhere, because big countries like America, Russia, this kind of big countries, they produce more weapons, equipments, war equipments. So they need happen in the world frequently war. Only then they can sell, they can do business, their equipments, war weapons. That's why they make some scenario situation in the world. And war happen, that time this kind of people can sell their weapons. Now 1 week ago, Israel started to attack Iran, and America started to sell their weapons to Israel. And Russia also will start to sell their weapons to Iran. It's the problem. But when it war happening, that time all types of people will die from the war. Old age people, adult people, children and women, all types of people will die, and people get hurt also, because people get more injured, and after also financial crisis also will happen. So many problem will face all world, because nowadays world connected each other. That's why if two countries fight each other, that time other all countries also will face consequences. I think Qatar produce more gas. Qatar also stopped producing gas. This kind of problem also happening, and I get a chance to speak with in Qatar working people and other Dubai working people. They have also very concerned because in Qatar and this kind of Gulf countries, their business also became very stagnant because governments are declaring if you have compulsory to go outside only then you can go to outside to buy groceries, vegetables or very necessary items by purpose only you can go to outside. Otherwise you stay at your shelter. Governments are declaring this matter and people have very concern. So in my opinion, the leaders try to solve the problem. Leaders try to stop the war. Otherwise, if the war lasts a long time, definitely the face more problem. Yeah, people face more problems. Okay, thank you so much. I gave you some idea about this matter. We will meet again. Bye.